If you're investing with Spaceship, you've likely wondered about those crucial financial documents, specifically your annual statements. Getting your paperwork in order is an essential part of managing your investments, especially come tax time. The short answer is yes, Spaceship does provide annual statements to its customers. These statements are typically issued after the end of the financial year, which in Australia is June 30th. For Spaceship Voyager customers, for instance, they usually begin sending out these statements to the email address on your account by the end of August. It's important to understand the difference between the annual statement and the tax statement. The annual statement provides a comprehensive overview of your transactions and performance for the financial year. This is a very useful document for tracking your investment growth and activity. In addition to the annual statement, eligible investors will also receive an AMMA tax statement, or what is often referred to simply as the tax statement. This is the document you will need to complete your Australian income tax return, as it contains details about distributions received and other necessary tax labels. If you closed your Spaceship Voyager account completely during the financial year, you wouldn't receive the standard annual statement, but instead, an exit statement is issued immediately upon withdrawal. This exit statement serves as your tax document for the period you were invested. To access your current financial year's account statements for a Spaceship Voyager portfolio, you can often download them directly through the mobile app. You generally navigate to the Portfolio section, look for Access Documents and Statements, and then Account Statements. For past tax statements, or if you have any trouble locating these documents, the best course of action is always to contact Spaceship's customer support team directly through the app, email, or phone. They can guide you through the process or reissue those vital tax documents. So, rest assured, Spaceship provides the necessary financial statements for you to manage your investments and fulfill your tax obligations. Keep an eye on your email around the end of the financial year for these important documents.